Hi, sir. How are you?
Uh, I'm fine, sir. And you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. Thank you.
Yes, I'm jolly fine today.
Okay, that's good. You look like fresh right now. So, good
Yes,
morning.
yes, yes, yes.
After a long
Be-
time, I was waiting your call. Like a few days ago, you were talking about like, sir, I want to tell you, I want to talk with you. So
Yes,
I was
yes,
expected to talk with you, but unfortunately, I was busy. That's why reason I didn't attend your call. So I'm
yes,
extremely sorry. Okay. So please tell me
yes,
how can I help you? How can I help you?
yes. Please, sometimes uh, I get confused because there are so many times I could not frame the sentences.
Okay.
Uh, Many times because we get we don't get environment and we don't get guys who can speak English to us.
Okay. Oh, I
So
see.
there are so many difficulties in English, but if we get environment, we will speak English fluently.
Yeah, right. I agree with you. Yes.
Yes, and the lockdown is running now, so newspapers is not available at this time. English newspaper.
Yes, yes,
So
right.
I consider that English newspaper will be help a lot
Yeah.
of to learn English.
Yes,
English
yes.
newspaper. But
Okay.
nowadays English newspaper is not available, and I'm big fan of you, sir, because I listened many videos
Mhm.
by uploading you. So I listened many videos, and I like the person who speaks English very well. This is fantastic idea. Talk to you with you, mind blowing. Your English is mind blowing. I'm big fan of you, sir.
Thank you very much for complimentary. Thank you. I'm here
Yes,
for you. I'm here for you. Whatever you have a question, where whatever your difficulty, so you can share with me without hesitation. Definitely, I will help you. Okay.
yes,
So
yes, yes.
by the first thing, please clarify me like what is the reason why you are learning English language? Please clarify.
Because
Explain
mhm.
me. Yeah.
First thing that I'm a teacher of English.
Okay.
I'm a teacher of English, and I give teachers training.
Okay.
Yes, called MT Master Trainer. So I'm
Oh, I see.
also a master trainer of English.
Okay.
So I need English language when I give the training to the trainees.
Okay, that's
So
good. Interesting.
yes,
Yeah.
so I need uh, English.
Okay.
First reason, and second reason, I love English. I
Okay.
love English. Yes, because English is an international language.
Yes, yes, right.
है ना? So I love so much
Okay.
because I watch the people who speak English fluently.
Mm-hmm.
So I get fascinated to seeing them that we should speak English fluently like that. Yes.
Okay.
And third reason is the because our generation,
Yes.
our generations, uh, so it will be very useful to our generation
Yes, right.
because there are so many English medium schools nowadays, and English has been a fashion to
Yes.
everybody. English
Yeah.
has been a passion. So I love English. I love speaking English very well, sir.
Yes, sir. I can see like you passionate about English language. You are curious about learning English language. So
Yes.
I'm impressed with you. Like, if you interest seriously, I can see you are seriously interested about learning English language. So that's a great thing. Okay. So just keep going. Start learning. Practice more and more. Okay. And
Yes.
you told me like I'm an English teacher. So I think a little bit you know very well like how to talk, how to understand, how to read, how to what do you mean by frame structure, everything little bit. But if you confuse, definitely I will clarify. I will tell you like what should you do. Okay. So
Yes.
first thing, like you see, English language is, we can say, so simple language. This is basic. If you can start to basically. Right
Yes.
now, I can see you have a good command for English language. You are speaking very well. I can see I'm hearing your voice. Your voice is fantastic. Okay,
Mhm.
so
My
practice
voice
more.
is fantastic.
Yeah, your voice is fantastic and clearly. Whatever you are talking about, it's pure, clearly word, and your word is like proper deliver. This is
Yes.
great,
Yes.
great thing. You do not try to talk like rapidly. You do not try to speak a hurry. You always just take a like pause and time, then deliver your content, deliver your word. So this is great thing. Just keep going. Okay.
Thanks for compliment, sir. Thanks for.
Yeah.
Thanks
Your
for.
voice is like so strong, we can say.
Hmm.
In future time, definitely I will guarantee you like you will become a master. You will become a public speaking. But
Yes.
you have to practice more, you have to learn more.
Yes.
Like every day you should do something, follow some rule, like try to read a books, listen
Yes.
to podcasts, watch a conversation video, and if possible, if do you have any friend circle, any family, anything, any partner, try to talk with front of them people, we can those people. Okay, just try
Yes.
more
Yes.
and more. Then you will
Yes.
clarify yourself, you will clarify seriously. Within a
Yes.
short period you can learn English language. Already you are speaking, so you
Yes.
should just take a pause. You should just push yourself, force yourself, like I can do it, I can do it. Don't hesitate, don't hesitation, don't fear, because
Mhm.
English is so simple language, you know.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So please tell me, what is the difficulty while
Hmm.
speaking? Where do you stuck yourself? Please tell me, then I will clarify.
Hmm. Sometimes small sentences are composed by me.
Okay.
Small sentences, but sometimes I can't frame long sentences.
Okay.
Long sentences because it can be so it's a lack of practice
Okay.
because sometimes I don't have proper time to practice it
Okay.
because I have to go to school, I have to teach the students, I have to work in school. So there are so many reasons, but after that, and despite that, I will be trying to speak English. I will be
Okay.
practicing in future. I will be practicing in future. I will not. I will not accept the deficiency. हार नहीं मानूंगा मैं, है ना? I will not.
Yeah. Don't give up. Don't give up, we
Don't
can say.
give up. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Don't
I
give
will
up.
not give up.
Yeah.
Yes, it's my motto.
Okay.
So I have a lot of books. Can you? Can I show you?
Yeah. Of course. Please show me. Please show me.
Yes, yes. I have a lot of books. Okay.
Oh my God. Oh
Yes.
my God. Oxford Dictionary. Oxford. Oh my
Yes.
God. Oh, I
Oxford
see.
Dictionary. Yes.
Yeah. Oxford Dictionary. Oxford Advance. Oh,
Yes. Yes.
that's good.
Yes. And Chetan Bhagat's novel. Chetan Bhagat's
Oh,
novel.
Chetan Bhagat, The Girl in
Yes.
Room
Yes.
05.
Yes. Yes. And this is a half girlfriend. Half
Ah,
girlfriend.
oh, I see. Yeah, I know that this is novel. It's fantastic book. I think
Yes.
it's very famous. Maybe you are. Maybe I
Ah,
heard Chetan Bhagat.
there
Yes,
are
yes.
so many grammar books, famous writers.
Okay,
Raymond Martin.
copy English grammar. Okay.
Yes. And Raymond Martinite. You may heard the name of Raymond Martinite.
High school English grammar and composition. Yeah, yeah. Oh my God, you have a lots of collection. Seriously.
Yes.
Oh
Uh-huh.
my God, you are trainer. I think you love
And
to book things, right?
phrasal verbs dictionary. Only phrasal verbs dictionary.
Yes, 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 yeah.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So sir, like I want to ask you, are
Hmm.
you reading these all books nowadays? Do
Yes.
you read? Do you read all books?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Because whenever I get confused in phrasal verbs, I look up the phrasal verbs dictionary.
Okay, that's good. That's why Riyan, your wording is like purely, your wording is like clearly. Whatever
Yes.
you're talking about, I can understand. Seriously. So this is
Yes.
great. Yeah, this is great thing.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Uh, so I get confused in Hindi words, so I have a dictionary, Hindi to English also.
Okay. Oh, I see.
Yes. So I read books, but I uh, I I get confused because there are environment is not available here.
Yeah,
So
I understand. So I want to ask you, sir, what about your school over there, school environment with your colleague,
yes,
your friend, with your teacher, with
I
your
did not, sir,
how was
I did not get a good environment because I read in government schools.
okay, government school. So
Yes,
which
yes.
medium? Which medium? Government means like English and Hindi.
Hindi medium, Hindi medium,
Okay.
Hindi medium.
I
Because
see.
that time my family condition was not up to the mark.
Oh, I understand. I understand. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay. Okay.
my family's condition is not up to the mark, was not up to the mark. So we have to live in
Yeah.
very
Yeah.
few incomes.
Okay, okay, I understand. Okay, no
So
problem. I'm going to tell you like how to practice the English language, how to improve yourself, how to build your confidence, okay? How to fulfill your pause and improve your vocabulary and enhance your English language. Everything I'm going to tell you in this video, okay? So first thing you should do, like you should make a routine. Morning time to evening time, whatever you do, before bed always try to talk to yourself like English language. Always try like what I did in whole day in my school timing, in with your friend circle, with your cooking and with your family, whatever you do, just explain yourself in front of mirror every day. This is your
yes, yes.
first day. Just do it, okay? And second thing, you have a lots of collection books, okay?
Hmm.
Just choose a one interesting book, one interesting, we can say easy book. Try to read two
Yes,
page, one chapter, depend on you. Try to read, then after that just this book beside, keep a beside, okay? And think about like what was the story, what I read, what was
yes,
conclusion, what was matter, what was story. Just talk to yourself. This is second thing, okay? And
yes,
third thing, if possible, then try to listen podcast.
yes,
Podcast like conversation, any family drama, any English song, anything, whatever would you like to listen, just listen more, okay? And
yes,
fourth thing, just if possible, if you have a time, then watch a like conversation video, motivational video, speech, we can say like some English content story, just watch little bit. And fourth is very very important, sir, please do regular basis, and every time if possible, then at least try 5 to 10 minutes about practice. Whatever you do, immediately practice yourself immediately. Like suppose if I read this book, okay, like two pages I read this book, okay, immediately talk to yourself like what was character, what was story, what was conclusion, what is the story main reason.
yes,
Train yourself, this is practice. And if possible, if you have a friend, okay, like WhatsApp calling, and we can Skype video calling, whatever, please drop a message, and whoever talk with you, whoever interest with you, Then clarify yourself, explain yourself, like today I read a one book, today I did a one story, it was amazing. Just practice more and more.
Yes, yes, yes.
If you practice more, automatically within a short period you will clarify, you will improve yourself, you will improve yourself. One day definitely you will, become a master on English language, because right now I can see you have a, you are curious about learning English language, you are
Yes,
hungry.
yes, yes. I'm dying to learn English. I'm dying to learn English.
This is spirit, we can say, power of spirit. Okay, just keep going and do hard work, practice more and more. Okay, and
Yes.
second thing, always try to speak clearly and softly. Right now I can see you are speaking softly and clearly, this is your plus point. So just practice more and more. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Okay, sir.